Dodo na ne tena ka mu kwanten akotonyo mabegu ye shop mu se wo benya ni nyina wo faako enno so ya asem foforo wo so to mfaako sika so ne mpatamu anase achimota la pass ekosin sawam. Jimmy Dale is your one-stop shop distribution for wholesale and retailers. Safa drinks, insure, enyane anase ade bia wo pebia. So wo koton ko ade a ene bebia wo se wo tu a eye Jimmy Dale. You can locate Jimmy Dale Ventures at Giga Junction inside Soto, or call us now on 0208-920-996. Jumidel Ventures, the official sponsor for Samiflex TV.
Everybody check now. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. The beat is real. Don't wait, make it kill ya. Get your green select glucometer and check it. Sugar level, check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Green select glucometer. Check it. Check it. Push sugar level for check it. Check it. Check it. Check it. Green select glucometer. Everybody check now. This advert has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Are you an artist finding difficulties shooting your music videos due to financial situations, poor directing, or poor visuals? Then worry no more, because Kojokin Production, in collaboration with Flex Entertainment, are here to save your situation with a soft promotion package. From now till December, get a powerful top-class quality visuals to your music videos at a cool 2,000 Ghana cedis and the most interesting parties at your own choice of location. Won't pay we, now pay dien. For more details, just pick up your phone and call them on 0249-817182. Get the best and a quality video.
Relax shit, you them nation. I told them one thing, money man here. Get up, remember back who I want that. Remember me and who I want that. I'm on me and son and I know. They see and who I want that. Remember back who I want that. Remember me and who I want that. I'm on me and son and I know. They see and who I want that. I said, man, come in and so try. Come in so try. What's the mean? Come in so try. I thought you were she got Bella. I thought I'm too never minute. I think it's in Nanga. Only when you're going to be a shot. Where do you go? I didn't. Bena Kroba. Afraid you're charging a Bena Kroba. Why my people down there? Afraid you're still dancing. Why my people down there? Afraid you're still dancing. Why my people down there? Afraid you're still dancing. I don't know me what agenda. So we ain't no mission center. Say I know my boss center. So when you want me to me danda. I don't know me what agenda. So we ain't no mission center. I'm a little super alaji. Alaji tina mo yayi. Yayi brami etendi. Asa Asante Brahmi Echendi, Amelia Sufralaji, Alaji Tiamu Yayi Brahmi Echendi, Asante Brahmi Echendi, Osime Nkwa, coming on so trying, coming on so trying, coming on so trying, Osime Nkwa, coming on so trying, coming on so trying, coming on so trying, coming on so trying, Osime Nkwa, coming on so trying, coming on so trying, coming on so trying, Osime Nkwa, coming on so trying, coming on so trying, coming on so trying, coming on so trying. I thought I'm one she got better. I thought I'm two never minute. I took it in Nagata. Only me near going to be a shot. Where they are guarding a garden, a garden, a garden. Men and Grover. Afraid they are charging a garden, a garden, a garden. Men and Grover. Why my people them there? Afraid they are still nothing. Why my people them there? Afraid they are still nothing. Still nothing. I'm a people that day. I'm a people that day. Radio is still nothing.
Alright, so we are set and Showbiz Daily. My guys are seated for us to do our do. This weekend, trust me, it was very eventful. And 70 in Rebecca, someone for Kojina stage, so now Oma Bear Chris Brown part 2. Oma Shishimwa, and some aye gete. Rebecca needs some sense in the data Kelvin Boy Koya Sade. I'm still not sure why he did that, but then that story will be discussed heavily here on Showbiz Daily. My name is Sammy Flex, and I have my charges and my soldiers on your screen. Nana Reagan is Beef Nation president. Now, Beef Nation president has started agenda via agenda. No, I know shit. Nana also saying, Mauze or the Stone Boy ma Sako de ma also my ring. Papa, so my you and I send our patch.
Oh my ye, but they are.
Oh my ye say tam.
They are still. So no, I'm relevant to industry.
Yeah, that's true.
Be name or Chinasen. I think say and maybe a trim betting up about bonkophobia. Yen na near for say normal life in the industry was much better, but you do your penny face, you will say.
And go use that.
Oh my cry, just say a donation.
Okay.
They say I'm out for bomb by M1 sana all because of bad systems industry. So this is just a beef against say Gamro. Yes. A wake up call. A wake up call.
And the Beef Nation for against Gamro.
Gamro, of course.
Alright, so this is one of the agenda on the screen. Sarkodie is a musician. His daughter Titi must not grow to regret the career her dad chose because of bad royalty systems. She must be proud of it. Beef Nation # fix the royalty system. It's money Gamro na enya. Yeah, some kids there because Gamro for minimum problem.
Yeah, they identify problems.
It is not a small job. It is not a small job.
It's very huge.
So have you gotten the creatives to support this idea or to join you on this journey? Okay, so this one is also from Stoneboy's family. Once again, a Beef Nation agenda that says Catherine Jidula Satikla must not grow to see her dad become a charity case, obviously like Titi. Stoneboy did great, fix the royalty system to benefit creatives. Okay, so what's that agenda? Are the creatives showing consent? Are they ready to also partake in this fix the royalty system agenda we're starting now?
I should have placed a personal call to some of them, and the response is very, very good. They are
just responding to you or ready to take action, because I know our people, they are fakers. Yeah, they are fakers. In fact, on this platform, I've decided not to hide any truth on this particular platform again. Our people are fakers. They respond to you. Oh, Nana, you from our mama.
Well, maybe brasa me. Omo ntokwa we. Omo kra na oso mudi ni menyame.
Exactly what I'm saying.
Me as a writer, me identify the problems. Now me say mama to bring that Kasa modu mo penny feel so ebe bo mama so royalties mo bakra bitime nya so mfa so na wo so won nko a and they told you wa timi they said they can be na ebi mo akasa and they've given me positive response. So I almost said I should just put my things together. If I need any support, I should call them back and then they will support me. Me started social media commentaries so any day. Me nyanya obi I think say beef natives for na me say bi mu share ni ade.
Okay.
People are liking it. So I know say we na me start so as time goes on I think say it will catch fire. People will respond to it.
Okay. All right. So that was Beef Nation President Nana Reagan was started to fix the royalty system agenda. And on your creative person, I'm not sure creative person me crash that did money be this but of any say a year or no so that's why he started this idea. Now what can you also do to support this? Maybe you can support this with your finances, with your presence, with your energy on social media, and anything that you can also do for us to get closer to the solution of Gamru. Now, no, my name say Matisse Elijah the worshiper say we Bedroom Town. Watch our music video. They come to Elijah. Now Elijah the worshiper, are you okay there?
Oh, okay.
Bedroom Town.
Yeah, Bedroom Town. Obelande, Endra Assets. 7 at Yakofani.
I know Bedroom.
Yeah, okay. From there, Nana, you move straight to Hit FM. That is.
Okay.
This is gospel.
This is gospel.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
that's good.
Gospel.
That's worship. Now, everybody say we much me I started up royalty and Komubia Manidi.
Okay, so initiative now, Beef Nation is starting a good one. Only Elijah officially joined the Gamro in March.
But is he considered a Ghanaian musician?
Oh yeah, he is. He's considered.
But he doesn't live here, isn't he?
He's even a member of Gamro. I say Gamro Musica. Yeah, he is a member of.
Does he live in Ghana?
He doesn't live in Ghana. But we've got. I mean, say Ebane Nodia. We can make many examples. We have people like Dana Hamilton who goes to and fro. They go and come.
Dana Hamilton has a record label operating fully here in Ghana.
Fully here in Ghana. And
I don't know about
Elijah the worshiper equally have team here in Ghana who are also pushing for him. So
okay, if it is like that, then fine. Because I know Dana Hamilton, the record label, Hane base.
Elijah and
I know the personality in a movie, but in music business, decisions now. They take them here in Ghana.
Yeah, so as Elijah the worshiper, also need decisions in
India. Okay, Timonya royalty, Manya Gamro kakra.
Ebi nyambai. Ena minjim di nso say ebeba. I just say system no omofi. Cause only once etoda presenters and I say DJs say omobo enum na say bia you get some of the promoters asking say mun send a video enye hwe ntia o. Say uko Gamro office na say uko seek for royalties ye bisa say what is the proof say unyom no kra ye bof. So I say until who and I say we accumulating all these videos now all the address say okay
now accumulating all those videos what difference would they make?
That is the point.
Don't make any difference as a matter of fact.
And then okay until I make say yenya and I me that cry say e be cry be then e be back onto baby I say me mom na me putting it baby I say me mom na me but it is early this year. Oh,
still a month.
Baby,
5 years and I'm not doing.
No. So okay, say you best 5 years. You are not being fair to the because I say from I think 6 months period, and Elijah has like about 4 albums registered under Gamro. Sanyo Manila before Okoyekra no Mukrasa a charge you. Asana definitely as a member so
okay I say J Smart Elijah the worshiper manager Bakopra Akano Ghana. So Chamo na me bisa say Beef Nation for agenda what are some of the issues on facing and maybe are some of their wins?
Yeah, a lot because Ngofu be benefited from the system, you know.
The broken system.
Yeah, almost to be pushy on my agenda just to discredit the whole thing. Even they will look out for more actually no matter how on better discredit.
Yeah, I know. And Ghana people, that's how they are.
Yeah.
Instead of attacking the issue, Omba Bijabe attacking the people who are pushing the idea.
Yes. And you know, I couldn't easy, but I think benefit I bad there. Obviously, a bit put system in place. Obia or what you know industry. Who say if I do better, I'll benefit
from the system.
From the system, and you know, any easy fight, but you know, a better give nation, you know, because say yeah, in the kind.
Of course,
the system,
of course.
You know,
We all benefit from it.
Yes, yes. And you be pushed by. It's not an easy fight.
I see. All right, so that is how we are starting the show, warming ourselves up into the discussion ahead of us today here on Showbiz Daily. Now, Kaise show is produced by Emmanuel Lapiji and with Digital Rasta on camera, Richie Flex as the director of the show, as well as Tina Baby, the sexy Don Don, and Gideon Neelam Tessin giving us support for this particular show. We are live on 2 major platforms, that is Sammy Flex TV here on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel and be part of the world fan base of Sammy Flex TV. Here it is real show business and nothing else, unadulterated show business and nothing else. And again on Kintom TV in Ghana, one of the traditional TV channels based in the Ashanti region, that is Kintom TV. Remember, you can also be part of the show via our WhatsApp line on the screen, 024-351-4732. That is 024-351-4732. Live on YouTube. You can also be part of the live chat, and this is what we do. Namiadum Aye Reverend Owusu Bempa Yaino. Na yayin in the first service akoso. Some the course no. Wakika nsem bi amanfo pastor ready political meanings into it. The first sermon I released in the Sunday, you know. Amanfo pastor reading them to it because I say I joy be ankai wa akuye bi o say abna bi be kai o na ne o timi ni abna I said some amanfo pastor and then papa yi cry person kai. But you also remember when he said that say oh yeah obi na wo kro bi mu a kai say kro ni mpanifo be mo mu na meme okay and I know refi yes just a meme ho de kakra e ba na fe me metro on the first sermon after ye man bill no ye hwe say ne komane so kwai. Watch this, we'll be right back.
So pesa ukuro mu hene
If you want the
so pesa ukuro mu hene
if you want the chief of your
Emma
hometown
unsase secretly
give you lands
ta cheniska
secretly, give him money offering,
ta cheni nwan
give him sheep,
ta ya niema e wo suma se ma no
or do things secretly for him.
me pa chao ubetimi anya aban asem ena mu nsa chi emrenti eni senia onni mu nsa huhuro nti minia abamra humpa tesa abamra be yin ani ato nchen aso ohuni aso
Now you may transgress a law, or you may be found culpable in a certain area, but because you know how to give, you know how to show kindness, the law may shut its eyes.
ade a friend cash sika ade a friend oma we nyansani a bomodin say etitrifo a omo wo man mu unu obi a benya connection.
If you are a wise man,
Nesi to it
establish
say
connection with all the great people in your city or your country.
every month fikesie mu emen every month headquarters eho emen every month I don't want to go there. National security my home men we onyansani a opa men south places ya mabobodin miniano obekwanso ebeden de metimi aka no
So if you want, satisfy the people in power. And if you are able to satisfy them, you may go to prison for committing an offense, but going to prison may be far from you.
Okay, and we before the arrest, before the Mame Agrada attack, the arrest nearby, we and Reverend Owusu Bempa in one of his sermons, when your first sermon and your second sermon, in one of his numerous sermons, or can say, oh, we will be now Wokrobiswa, national security, Flagstaff, areas no so for and Kenya areas everybody can kill, but also there's still bit me. Osora na ni kwadu a wato kama no dia kosio go se mo mi timi le sare metiasie wato kwadu na dia kosio banchi ba yire na ko na mo mu di na mo mi eno na ko mo ye juma ni yi sare reverend eche but ye nya time onya bill no na ye yi ni first time so kan sem bi. In fact, some proverbial preaching be man for starting with the meanings into it already. Yes, share I want to kakra and then peniphobia or say omokostra no, yes, share the combination of peniphono, yes, share sa nipa no bomb within and the proverbial preaching be or yeah no. They have to send your mouth for no, san my pound for so ebehuna. Watch this, we'll be right back.
Okay, my job. Because Obia okra na wama but empire bobi o send them abrochrefuo deputy chief of staff omanpani nanado dan kwakufu ado somano so mra mehweme no musam sese de me hote ono so nyame nhira no chief of staff nyame nhira no in fact nyame adma wo de ebia next week and next 2 weeks and a mesa de dase anka me wo bribi aso chance da anka me de bema san crofo no osofo nso ansa na me papa Reverend Bishop Victor Osei ono de of a plane free Kumasi by oda oba akra me hananim a ase no I am miserable na me busan papa da aduane kro ntimi nidi na ne so kra ate me kra mpa me ko mu no kra na ma me chen and your Papa Nicholas Duncan Williams, the Archbishop. In fact, Namisham, Papa Isusu, Namisha will be a Reverend Parker. Also, Namisha will be a. Ose, I, you be charged at Tumsesia, and I am charged at Tumsesia, and I'm a wa. And no be who the own who be that. Hallelujah. Wonderful. Reverend Obafo, Sister Tina, and Reverend Salifu Amwako, Archbishop elect, Hopes and Adoya. Now when him say, Papa Samia Uku, or free play musi, one coffee cry, no bar ho straight, or name Mr. Martin J. Cosa, and there's also Bempa Hopes and Adoya. And ya papa Kennedy, ya papa intimina. Now fresh Bonsema honorable Kennedy Japan. Hallelujah. Ya papa John Dramani Mahama. One and a wife. Almost man crofo. Emo ba ho be share me. Openi esman crofo. Emo ba ho be twice. Yanu ya sami jamfi. In fact, Namisha will be a Kumasi by Sophisti Kumasi. So, Osun Kama, Agata so, Onusu Nimsu, on the end they are Nisu, Muamusu Yen Namisha. Hallelujah. Kasa Ameno. Afei, Hana na Odiako, one idea bako. Bre. Yes, sorry, Rade. Jitum so nyame tumi wa ha. Ma hu se ojafadum abegyina me nsa ne faso. Amen.
I see the pillar of fire on my right hand.
Ma hu munkum fadum ewo me nsa bankum so.
And I see the pillar of cloud on my left
hand. Ma hu 7 angels ewo matwa me ho ahia.
And I see 7 angels surrounding me.
Ma hu so nyankopon angel egyina wo nchen.
I see the angel of the Lord standing beside
Holy Ghost ewo dem ha.
And I see the presence of the Holy
And
Ghost.
obia wono na ewura dem ha. Wudin shira ewo matwa me ho ahia.
And I see 7 angels surrounding me.
And
I see the presence of the Holy Ghost. Amen.
Cause I receive it.
I receive it.
Reverend also Bempa and ya take Nenkano. Na the person who say sa preaching and the first preaching a bride on ya bail a free police cells. time na akoye say aban mpanifo ye de ne nsa ato ne so a oso ayare mpo ye de ne call hospital de drip na se ko si ne so and o say eh mpanifo wo kromu a ekostra ne pa. There's another video I be share ama wa hwe no so aka ho na chebo we o ni saying o preacher obo mpanifo din oma omo besra no. How do you understand it or how do you see it?
Brother me
enye
cry. Emma, just say as a hope be any your society nim say you be fight corruption and say you be try say you be ma enkophobia behavior. Enye cry. On the IGP no na e born about so say
yeah, start say juma nice nasi for ya.
Say the usu bempa say the okasa ne ma okay say cry or painti IGP ne black. I painti aban penifo ne say omo na ye.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, IGP needs so can't aban penny for home or ye dumano. Asem no, the man ye are who ye say ye need asem no.
Daddy,
ye need
ye no
hompo. Ya money bella or besa court. And untino say or man penny food in our air quacosrano. Me did say a beer said the Nicasa Muku and cow man penny crowd or Ghana and Colosso
Cosrano.
But
I think that he mentioned someone penny to
only
okay.
And the obetu above for a moment. Oh, is bad.
Now, I'm penny to above for me. I saying,
say, IGP punishment. That's how I may interpret it. Which shouldn't be the case. Say, what the bonnet? You know, cry near some. And can you some na ye train because they say you punish you
David.
According to law, no, I know how I Ghana law working. You punish you. And you process na come
yeah.
And I own
say you need asem.
You need asem. And a process now all come no. That's how it is. And yes, say you will do point the punishment. Now say I say a man penny for or can be a woman na show sign be say ye tower chi there. And then IGP no I say bregu be say and yes and I ain't taking say be at the usu bempe can oboa na say omoa pa na say omo ko na say the ubodi nti the intimi myself oboa na
how like any problem do better ka so
and one san yen baby I say sorry them and I obobo say anyway after o preach how I so to bribe I mean, the Bible is all my to and use all my book there. And as a Bible is so how I be my mom for me, not run cry who are in. Now, and what you was saying, boom, penny food, or more boom with you, Krumuhan, or can be a woman, including President, 2 or both for say, on Concord, no, I bring me as I'm no cry. Minini say empenyin for no bobom di no o mani beje se nko be bom di eno nti o mane ne nkasa say asem bi say no more ma meka eno no so o ka to show say still are powerful kuma because me hu ozu bempada at the time na ya announce say mo bi anu sare no ne ka e ba na still sare ni bo enye so bi na ka me hu da sa ewo easily go na o remu wa ajin na no.
And that thing was a big deal too in Ghana. I said, yes,
no, be sorry, be not suffer keke only position be our bem. But no, your man especially be as no use. And all banner, all bomb, me. And you know why so powerful. You're penning for so sunny so. And then a man you whom. On the almost say Obia or ye dinner court. I did not some union. Your money bill, not a moon and arm or Wakosrana, and yes, or Yari, and yes, or ABU.
And these people he mentioned are not his church members. And yet, church members.
Yes.
So many church members are there. Reality.
And I say, oh, my pastors, it is or the campo.
So more or less like solidarity.
Yes. But
we are committed a crime.
Yes.
Not say show solidarity. What does it mean?
Yes, it means more at China IGP no na any money, and as a police for any money, which shouldn't be the case. I don't see a strong man penny for no day. So I'm by a crana. Omunya money, you say, Obia and Siasa. on say what the kind say the tua bribe obefa ho adi
yeah
na say odi boni na say onya this solidarity ayakoso na it clearly shows say okay any bribe you know strategy no the man no it's working. Yes it means it's working engineers realm omone ne nkasa o de ombe ya man kra na omunyensi because kroma de nim say amount for year
possible
but woman here clear say a recipe for disaster or chaos in the country.
Okay just Matt to swear ebia now so only different but my reason also no
okay ma medical etia ye ahwefo nyina na metia all the guys at smartnewsgh.net Brasami from the old video no to the new one I think that what also Bempa said is biblical.
Mudia Wayne Momo Meme no
yes more
biblical biblical. Quoted from which page in the Bible?
In the Bible no your friend say or say umma odifo edidi mea unya odifo nsem yede ishira. Yes, that is what the Bible says.
Okay.
So from that angle there, it's biblical. It is even in the Bible.
Okay.
And so he, as also for now, he was going by the Bible. Just say, kwanya or the enams.
Sanko for now bomb. No me defo.
O say.
Sanko for now bomb. No me defo.
Say you funny say cause odifo now wo or say uma odifo edidi emea. Unya odifo then insem ishira. And these are the people who in a way we could say are superior and I say can give some special aid when you give them this kind of special treatments now Omusu can give you something in return and I say Omusu ema will okay. Exactly. And no or the abe play but sorry we are still nkofo egusu gum sometimes we beside me we say what actually is working and I say what is the issue. Because if Owusu Bempana seems to be this spiritual pana, he shouldn't even be working with a gun or even with bodyguards. Near SIAM say or say and I've seen an angel walking by my side walking and I ask myself which of the angel is that? Is it the angels of God we know? Mama nyamesum no abe concert agrona doson say Owusu Bempa I wouldn't say so nimnyansa but say inka onimnyansa did come out in public sorry where you were streaming live camera esi wusu sorry you have media practitioners and then you be mentioning names obi a we di bone yenka wasem ewie na ye do eco process mu na ebia court amao ebia say asuchewe na ye de mao and then he come na say ebia you touted as your friend is the government or the president's pastor na ebia president if say okay you be my pastor no say omo edo effort treatment bi mu I wouldn't say undeserving but then you are a president pastor that is the say obieni na say ebia president if you say uko situation bi mu na say enye na say ono asoma ne manfo na say ne nkrofo bi ka say obonbehwewa you don't come out in public and then be mentioning names and then be saying say yes
okay so from where I sit I also see something different. So when me say and same be say ba say Ebeko court no enipa na betena asem ne so judge wo ho lawyers wo ho ene clerks on warning na it is a what is say papa na ka say vice president asma mi abesra no president asma mi abesra no ex president asma mi abesra no protocols deben enina asma mi abesra na if you are a judge and you hear all these things you'll be steady. And from where I sit, may I see that's the strategy he was playing.
Your friends said the IGP who ordered for the arrest, and I say even the police who arrested him. No, these people are working for the president, right? But they went ahead to do their job, and so if a judge wants to be fair and then truthful, can go ahead and do their job. But you see, the point is, system manipulation is everywhere. system manipulation e wo bibia
That's a dey friend man. Baby so so.
What you mom mun.
What a friend man. What be that?
Martin sisi awaka nti Martin
Me what be that?
Martin se waka
Me correct me change decision.
Not president.
Just a man. I don't got to change.
no what's
what are you talking about?
the kind of discussion that we are having, because even the bill they granted no only the point I'm saying is if these people a person or take a decision, they can go ahead and take it, because the Owusu Bempah and then looking at the people he is mentioned, no nanka even the prison worker and they say a day crying can you say utao
and the bachelor say he really goofed.
Exactly. So that is what I'm saying. That is what I'm saying. So even with Edina Wabuboy should not scare any judge. And I say if the judge really want to do Nejuma, it can go ahead and do. We've got some of these fair people or they still challenge other authorities. So far as they know what they are doing, it is right. And I'm saying system manipulation. It is everywhere. But how they go about it, sometimes you need to be a bit professional. To say inka ebia wamba the public wouldn't know these people went there. Inti na meka say inka we no ejuma kakra inka sanyoma we ya inka onye these people could underground work everything out because when we heard say Yesi Oyariwa modern ekwako and then people started coming out. I saw Kevin Taylor made a post say you see people believe say it is some maybe they've plotted and as a plans okay you find to hospital you didn't to hospital and yeah okay in the home fan system in no more and it is pure political. So I think offer the people worked under it wouldn't create any problem.
Okay, J-Smart, thank you. Now the J-Smart kind of person business na akua pimpolo kra na onokra ni mu anasem no akoti say sad nasem because almost you nim say you can say your money bail bail ne pending say na asem no you be say court akokoto aso as we speak ne kra no how far ye ni san akua pimpolo no menini ni asem in fact o mini papa me person be kwa honyanyen bia mu but ye follow mbra na say ne mbra ni kosi ye eno na ye bisa ne big nation to aso e na say obidi bi beka ho a
let me say Ghana say no obinya abaya money na police asem na e money bill na wa sha fight
cuz asem na eh bazo akase mu
case lewu they could have been pollution why the press conference.
Yeah.
I was a grada no one shall fight na. I grada
shall fight.
Almost shall fight.
I grada the omudi asem just almost dismiss.
Yes.
So that's I think say I deal with Owusu Bempah expose your leaders know the kind of games they play with us the citizens. My movie mukase anka beya anka tema mufo na so yim position ya adwin yi because that's I dey we ya ekoso you but I want adentina or man peni besuma chief of staff son kosra adentina the biggest opposition leader ebes two nkrofo say omonko kosra why what is the interest then it is because both parties want to send a message to us say oh
there's another preaching. I am preaching.
And before this whole video, I chanced on certain commentaries on social media. In fact, I saw a lot of posts from ordinary Ghanaians. They were running commentaries. Oh, share. On one Crawford. On one Crawford na. Ewa bemu no omo mafia.
Yeah.
I saw a post. Crawford I think the City TV capture.
Yeah.
Niger Gazing. So
yeah.
Claiming say, why yet party name wabi bree. And you know they should temper
justice,
mercy, and all of that. And that's when I saw this, I became sad because this is the reality. These are the kind of mentality we have. And if we are seeing, or maybe because we are, mentality is everything. So Timomufoni need the right mentality. You see these politicians, when they will not change their minds and warm benefit to women to yes, unless you position you now do the whatever you say renting a moye and find the juma. We want the right things to be done. But the moment that they will start sending you this signal, these messages you fall for it. If you move it in
yes. Oh, I know.
Then what it means is that we are only going to keep rotating these leaders on Bebano Marco without a proper mindset, change of mindset. Yeah. And that is the sad reality. What else is here? The omu year, Papa Penimu, suffer nyame suffer mo I suffer about for 17 maybe now check pocket in the press saying that I suffer
oh so mo ya now there 1000 God know it now
also na papa akoko jen dan ka odi anka obi kra boa wo kra mampeni bi anasa bamu mpeni for kra person mo ye bi mi twitwa ejiwa anka BBC ya waya ye nyendi wasam kranke emfa me preach
kana mudi na amafo mpo adwim no ma majo papa no bibi akonani
what you say
just for several reasons
but who the person who prove say baby akoda ye na crap no say you were favored who won crofo mpeni for cra na nte be hwe o e be hwe say wo want to sing o e na we didi we dwawe e na then till say who power. And I'll show the first video. You have to say no results now. We won't have your own and son. When you have your own and son, one more mammy. And to baby arming a Kufuado party or mammy and a Mama's party and a woman would do it.
Oh my God! I think the mistake is IGP no buy and change. Don't
buy Obama. Oh, Oma Meme na Embrana yini ni atunche. Me me say sa game we in brasa me amamu mpeni for no mu ne di change.
Okay.
But yen position ye adwini kakra to run away from some of these things. Clearly we chere say all the two parties omu ni any right mindset bia to give you any change bia ultimate money no who better they are just playing the game with you day in day out. Until the other fall for no home ye be bossa say sanka commentary because now one Crawford na kwache nanka Ekufuado ni Kennedy Japan ni Sami Okunu wa nkwa nkohwe na na Mahama ne Crawford kohwe ne pe say omo sympathy bi.
There is a video on the day now he was preaching about a certain Ajwa and say Akosio say ama saying say assembly told na Ajwa amuano ama ne bebo
yo so what it means is that we are simple. What it means is that mommy ame kakra de ene me ko amaho na me den me da and de ya wo mu ni say eya yenya na yeti eche na yesi ebre no owusu be mpa be fi MPP aba NDC for be so and then they will play the same system with us. And then no. That is why all the other most powerful the politicians look at how they be. Look at the Fias as nigga from NDC. No, abandon people for so because I'm say oh I feel about baby aside or China no koha. It doesn't benefit we also and benefit here. Omo will say oh agrona you see akwa we di agrona e kopa enti akwa no so timi be so powerful to the sense that no no so way options no and fa na menko so we should also fix our mindset kakra.
Okay, here I say Nana Reagan Beef Nation President J Smart and Chemo in Team Do Solomon these are my pundits for today. But you're also part of the virtual pundits. You are watching the show from your location around the world. Feel free now also part of the discussion. Ebi I will follow the Ekanyina. Ebi mpana abenane ajoa preaching. You can also add this as part of your contribution. It should be clean, follow the community guidelines, and be part of the conversation. It is called Showbiz Daily. We are live on Samiflex TV as well as on King Tom TV. Now, still talking about some of the mistakes in public spaces. Yen share emrantie mienu bi baako eko perform and a time original stage in no yehu ya na ode bibi nipa dodo no edwin se ana nipa dodo ne hu ni se ebetimi aye ntampe e de asina no e na otwum se pua sabrante e friend Kelvin Boy na yeyi no free ho Abrante baako so a friend Charles Niama Mensa aka Shatawale. Ono so performing na ne Nyankopon ahira na kakranti oyi ni sika bondo akese bi otene ne watu ogu nipa mu pua otene watu ogu nipa pua and amanfo kase these two acts would they be considered as stage disorders, and now maybe we can consider them as part of the act on stage. First, producer my Kelvin Boy there no share Kelvin Boy enti Abrante Kelvin Boy and original stage and yeah speeder no dey train any puhu there or train no husa and yeah cannabis make them loco cannabis make them loco cannabis make them loco sa I'm for Jenny so yeah before the show there was a photo be a and also na Kelvin Boy original baby to say filling station and also wakita ayi bibia and also dodo na hu ni say as a betimi aye and tampe am for head am Kelvin Boy be na ye filling station when one soldier o soldier pe oni ade ni na be shebo and no kwada nche na fa show the next video and no the next video ni Abrante Shatawale Charles Niama Mensa hwe say wa bie sika mu na ne Odin Sabenkumi Shatawale or lefty so Odin Sabenkumi or to sika egu nipa yimu sa na na man from ya basa o mze ko so go meet here and you go face kaidi in fact obi tia o mi ba bi o tia wa afri obia ko pen note because notice na emu betimi ayedu from where we sit no ne judgment here no ye hu say note betimi 100 notes e betimi 200 notes. So when you're 200 back one whole week, you sorted amount for betimi and they are sorting of whole year. Now I'm asking, say these two acts are they likely to be considered as stage disorders? And now say another act of impropriety. I was stage so now. Now maybe such a more way to start with. Chemo.
Yeah. Or Kelvin Boy didn't cry a crime. Crime you beat me crashing.
But we don't know what exactly he was smoking.
Yes, but it's not allowed to smoke in public. Whatever.
Well, that is also there.
Say you weed, say yeah cigarette, say yeah whatever. You are not allowed to smoke in public. Yeah, law. It's into only then they beat me at the street. Organizers in the crowd,
because remember Chris Brown said be a course one.
Yeah.
A brow by performing or Guinness. Was it Guinness Rapping concert?
Yeah,
I think it was a Guinness Rapping concert. I know so base smoky be a later cranaka. I Ghana buying person or training was you electronic cigar.
And you obey to me I call that angle no. Say the baby or the fan who the back. So how long now against smoking in public, you know. I want to obey what you pass obey the free. Okay. I wanna because substance, you know, say obey to me I prosecute you I say omunya evidence. Evidence na substance na who smoking I say omunya in hand. If you anko oye na no mo kwachi no there o mo baji evidence. But what smoke here we need there e ho ne there yend me ba ha. It means substance now oye no emborn kwed. But the law against smoking in public so change more. Into only the end there as organizers no cooperate with the police he will be in trouble. Because organizers in this case I'm the bear witness. I'm a police he will be in trouble. And
do our artists forget so easily? Not long ago now, some right society be extra letter man there. He been telling him that photos I depict so smoky. I said only post it
because or influential person.
So Kelvin Boy and his team, they never heard this.
Brother, me, I cannot have that say. When you are happy, you don't take good decisions. On stage, you know you're happy. And in the team, you know, and I sound so I can say, oh my, I will do what you know. It's like, oh my, around boys. And you know, behind me, pushy, say, you can't do this, you can't do that. Before so be smoking, if you cry, the errand boys even at the brain with stage. And he said, oh, they start doing brain with stage, even so, or ask for it. Don't bring it. And yet, it's against, why someone trying to say against the law, no, and our no crying image, anyhow, our portraying him, and yet, and the only one tell by us, I do it was staging any way. And yes, I won't bet me at children. They say, yeah, chill. Now say, oh, you are not to crowd. Why? Because you're busy about to
stage.
And
at stages.
Anyway,
but still better.
Say, oh my, efficacy. Yeah, I'm going to me, sir. Charlie. Now say, oh my, efficacy for me. Now you be so much. Oh, but Boca wasn't bad shit. And the Kevin Boy the end of a crime cry. I know bit me actually.
And I have reliable information. Say bloggers no dey can post you know, and they produce the score now. Omo normal delete videos now.
Because I feel maybe team members and I feel maybe management and who say no, they are making mistakes. And you know, omo ko who are begging say yes, I'm delete mama my name out and there. It's not good. Management no man your money may esenka or need quite or more allow money cost. And even the organizers they shouldn't allow this. If in Katam they bring no come stop it. And no money happening into no dear. It's not it's like against our law.
And the shutters out of ceremony.
Shutter the end dear and yet crime, but it's not a good thing to do.
Okay.
In outside the crowd, so Omubabi issue America, ne Canada, near that. Obabi issue Omutimikura estimate said no crowd never ban crash into crash on cry my own yet. And that's why I'm born new and that's why I be you.
Just the anticipation of the crowd
in the Omutimi cancel show.
Wow.
Yes.
No, you cancel your car and say, cancel my boca.
Oh, yeah, cancel my boca. But the umbe can say, umbe mount, the full frost fire. It's like, or more caution will say, I cancel show, Nasa will be what. You bet me, you bet me, I will be responsible for that thing. And in the umbe advice, say, don't do it. Let's postpone it to another time. Or the be Justin Bieber crowd.
Wow.
Or more anticipation, no. Yeah, almost nipa everybody show us and they can't control the crowd and it will be finty, be to me a wound, you know, or moon postpone the show. Now, yeah, deal with it. Indeed, yeah, will you be say, yeah, all the ABA, all the kind gesture, and our person will chase can away. But I said the crowd and it anyway be a one. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, I'm out for air, please, come on, or my wiki can. 1 year, you will be a show,
to cost and pay.
Yes. And in the BBC, no, and those are organizers and time and uncle or baby true money now. I can say, so you can't do this.
But do our organizers at events, do they have control over acts on stage like that? Because you were talking about Kelvin Boyd and he said the organizers should have. Now, Shatawale, do you think the organizers really have that control?
They should. I mean, the SHS said they don't have control yet, but they should. And I said before, say act in the bar. I saw no casa and then maybe into organizers and also now before say musician or artist in the bar. As some catchers say
there are some do's and don'ts
on stage that you can do more fun tuning. And yes, Anna Asemsia. More I have months yeah, but as I want this money to Jana, you can.
Because ever the Kelvin Boy, they say, if say a bias and Kessia, the organizers can also be held for abatement of crime.
They will
because when I'm on stage,
yes, In fact, ABR almost compromise say they cooperate with the police to
arrest
him. Yes. Say they be free. They almost be selling it out. Because almost selling it out, they will also be in trouble. Yes. And into organizers, I think they almost share there. Now, and never do more allow money happen with stages, so especially something like this.
Okay, thank you, Intim Dodo Solomon Chemo, Mamenko Beef Nation President. I'm saying, and also the act me any who say ABA Bibi Echo Bonnet Uncle Yana.
Bibi Echo Bonnet Uncle
Yana.
I think say Kevin Boy, the name in particular, said the Chemo can a crime. I know Kevin Boy crying in the team because of Moon says I didn't a crime or more this stage, and I said, baby, we do on music career. So you don't go and then provoke their loss, and then be a chiwa. Then you be expecting people to be doing what? Hashtag I stand with Kevin Boy, and I said then. So if people don't do that, it means Ghanaians are not supporting you. You don't deliberately do some of these things. Now, on far home conquer to us. Me say IDP show we ya. I can't say uncle Kevin Boy.
Hey,
yes. So show we pa Adia Kevin Boy.
Back up question. You know what they chief of staff ex-president Papa Chacha.
I don't uncle Chacha. Uncle Chacha is on so I want to. Oh my family. Oh my uncle family. We see who money na. Oh my uncle Chiom. Because say anyasa we say akwakoye asama ekwakoda ho obi so be the reference o na Kevin Boy akwakoye bi cry anya na hwe say kwa kasi jiga na ono so ba life ono so betimi aba be cassette ya police ejumoko ni say na ono ko jina ono mo na o twi ni game kubua no de mo ntimi ya hu nyansa nkwa nkwache no antwe na so me de kakra me koye o be ka mo so koye ana o ba na mo be che nti easy. Say man be ejuma na ye pese ye fix mas nyama bi ye ejuma wo kro yu mo then we shouldn't take some of these things for granted, or we shouldn't sweep some of these cases under the carpet. Yes, I was say a man in the DPP the Ebema bloggers cry a delete post me say e bia na course they start a course management na start fully hit be no more far from every bloggers say mun delete but
unfortunately and it wasn't on just any platform. GH Hyper, I'm sure he has one of the loudest blogs now. Yeah.
And you know, a man in Koye Mundility my own quam, maybe a dear Mrane Kano, Mama in fam running you, Jumama and Mrane that because a Kevin Boy. Man, now Ochana Koya Kwakesia, number of the I think say the laws will be unfair to some people in the country. So you per se na man ye krojen dia so bi answer man ni ndi pepepe said the man ese Shatawale the other day I think say both acting I was out of excitement anyway. Now Shatta the no the entia event organizers in the crowd put omuntimi and fresh attack so we are so stage so I do men some of these insurance covers are immediately crew events because OBJ says anka event organizing company bi akọ ye bibi na casualty bi aba na omo insurance cover nipa no na omo sika sem so aso ate ana se omo fili hit bi anka I think say omo bail artist omo restriction say pacho ba ma enye say na asem tu obi a obi kopra obi famu a ye na ebe say e ba no say ye
amabroni kaswa
of course ye e ba no say yes ye kwa ko pay for such penalty a yes ye nhwe ma ho nto yes ye be drag wa shemu bi so at that end no two parties ni na be cooperate aye the right thing but see ebi ni ho internal say you artist ni ka no age mic no ofini kam no abegina stage no so na dey who the person ye bia no ai enyam nwanwa say nkrofo be pra sika ya otu yi enyam nwanwa say ebio de ono be pra kese no kra no onya routine ba ko aso onya because
obi tie on saso
ba obi kra bo blow emre bi eyi kwa kese mo time ya no mo omanya hit bebre na mo two guys no mo fi ko so edu ye na mo kwa ko ball pool party.
Confirm.
And I'm gonna call kissing you. Boomerang, yeah. Rasan. And I call it. Go for $2, $100 notes. Massa, she can't even say that. But you will use it now. Before I land, no. It's just a proper. Somebody said, a proper dollar. My pumping dollars, no essential.
What did he?
My children had your my sister now, but it's me. Boom, mother, a man almost a sash of money for her say. It's me, the mination button, the call washroom, we call PA and shame we. Meaning, say, me person may you crack, kind. But I could be a $100 note.
It's like I will can you use it?
I didn't me for you go to them, baby. Hey!
I feel.
You feel bad, you have a son.
I feel.
It's a event. Now, artists too scary. I'm not too boss.
I think that is a good lesson too.
Yeah, and then you got a bit of course. Set or start.
Papa, but what I like this lesson.
Yeah.
And then you get Papa.
Of course.
But Shatta is not known for just this. He's been doing it. But the dangers involved.
Or set a high teshi show.
Yeah, teshi show.
Or two be a medical show now.
Oh, how's Oko 2?
Yes. Oko 2 is still
medical. Yeah, I saw the video. Oh no, yes.
Into Shatta then the
and look at Osprey medical control. And I look at Osprey medical. So that one there wasn't any mistake. Osprey medical. But when there, it's into that massive crowd,
which is very very dangerous. Maybe this is a bit crowd. Into a amount crowd. Most muko shows are. One can some security name. My home chesu ye no. I want some because who practice here artists no. Nkofo ye de beka so omra no be hwe wa na bia obenya abada e bi se oba be hwe but oboni show ni bia owie event organizer nimu artist nimu so we should be very careful.
Okay, thank you Nana Reagan, Beef Nation president. Amenko J Smart na Mr. say ononso we no ohuni say J.
Yes sir. First of all no, I think say the two incidents in are premeditated. Yeah. There's no way any artist bia ebeka se oko show undi kan emplanning se oko
what he will do
event na se anyo beye artist bia entam bag say na on se skengum keke na ofa kita obi se okay kita saska we na ya fanko show na se ade show na se na moko no mo dwana moko akodi wo show na se there's a reason enti anipa na ebe saska order now one they are doing it for trends, for the talkability, for them to be contentious. Baby Abe Fabiano, yeah, Yabebo Omudi. And I think say Enubi and Kevin Boy no so the same thing. Just say me feel say ebia omoman dream we and say oman dream the future occurrences issues ebe to me and they are buying later now ebia cause BS 30 ebo channel. That is where they've ordered some of the bloggers and I say handles are posting say they should delete them because say you know say pre meditated cause where kita no say ya light cry enya yade it means say ebia ochene sa ekatro bi chale fa we na emami and then they have to light it for him now was starting onim say sadi oya edenya ya be kan wasem. When was the last time Kevin Boy started some of these bars and I said people so all these things they are just planting I think said they didn't think properly about me able to me at home and most of our musicians know usually say some of these stunts now they don't really want to think much. They don't put ideas papa into it, so they pull a very good one. They just want to do anything anyway just to trend. Now maybe I say if a Ghana has a crane, yeah, a man, and I say I think the police are not doing enough. They are not doing enough for some of these things because in events be say definitely there should be security there. That should include your friends say police, not just any securities via keke.
No, there was police security.
Police security, and what did that police do about this one? cause say police security e wo honum na say we hu say musician no matter who the musician is, who's a police, no, you have to show say yes, what you are doing is wrong. And then go ahead with it, and then the necessary things I will say they do, because the artists, the event organizers, definitely they would have to protect their interest. Who police now would now Emma amount for the government, you should also protect the people's interest. That is why you are there as the police, to overwatch some of the happenings over there. Medical Nishubia Oyeye has paralyzed a certain young guy till now. Se ushe a chronica brasani Jani Diaka Ebeodi, and Nina was because of some of these issues. Yeah, now Bebra Eka say event organizers now say Omushe Sanumawi. The point is, some of the event organizers, the professional ones, most of them look at these things. Just say, Sisiana, yesi kremo, your friend say, Batakare Adosum, Tiama, yes, a bimo, omunya, omusike bina, they don't even know where, then they just come say, and how many people cry, and now Omaya say, okay, we want to put out event, and I say, we seek, I want to put out event, and so we are hiring some event organizer, or be with Dimu in the events for to come and take care of this. Now, medical Chris Wado, I think the last two Ashama to the word a happy year, a be unhappy beam. They came, when they came, they wanted to do that. I was at the backstage and they wanted to throw money, and then quickly they have to be told, say no, we are not permitting that on the stage. And yes, I'm over then you are going to yes, and they have to obey by what the organizers are saying. There were police, soldiers, everybody over there, and we are telling you don't do so. And they will tell you, say yes, we told you not to do it, and then you went ahead to do it. The reason is Stonebwoy at one of the Ashama to the world decided now or performing out of excitement, like my brother said. And decided say, and look around still, I would say it was premeditated. Why am I saying that? Because after Stonebwoy issue no now or two cried him no they brought new shoes for him to what to change it. So if any premeditated anchor or the shoe you know say then oh boss I was there. No listen I was there. What no and you say a boot. I'm saying on stage Debbie just Nipani Jina stage in say, and so when Stonebwoy in the shoe or two and to 2 years boss are they enfa. So these are some of these are some of the things we have to be looking at. And so from there, that is why when medical and Chris Wado came now, they wanted to throw, because South incident got a lot of people injured. And funny enough, Shuni Bako, it's Shunikra Bakuko D baby and my friend. No, so there's no any good motive here in throwing that. So
that's that ABA Krumwana people might not value it. Elsewhere, so Binya Michael Jackson shoe back
no, the shoe I'm even talking. Fortunately for us, one of my friend agenda he picked Shuni Bako and that day no, and I say you if you know I'm not for a best try will fear just to look at the shoe and then for ketwa. Well, but the point I'm trying to make is that some of this is so person oh yeah there are proper ways are able to ye cry and no fast more than this one. And I think say after moving forward we need to get some organizations they will solely be looking into some of these things, how your friend is saying artists perform on stage and some of the conduct the display on stage.
Music if really music is effective and running affairs of musicians well and but in wrapping up on this particular topic, you know, what I can also add is if you're an artist, always think about the people you are performing for, and yet activiana as I say will put it up. I'm not sure someone will talk about Kelvin Boy doing his thing in his studio, doing his thing in his house, or doing his thing in his car. In fact, you won't put it. But the moment you make us see it, don't expect say I'm not for become and what to.
That's right.
And again, what pains me is on the train I away or because then they label the person as a hater. Oh. And then me ya
three born and we need to pass all here at the end. Obey your
back away. We bring another guy to can say, hey, IGP question you know, hey, this guy, we don't want to see him again, we don't want to deal with him again. Cause and reaction, they are moving. No, but that is uncalled for. That is uncalled for. Of course.
Say it is I was saying my name.
Yeah, what mean come you say it in your songs and we are okay, yeah. You do another cannabis make them look then I turn a sabi. But to come and stand on the stage. Teshi Festival
of course.
Minus war.
Yeah.
Teshi near kind. Teshi minus war. Mubako festival. Or more festival. Young na county. I'm not the shit not with the stage na poor. Like what was it?
What would they even add to your stagecraft? Like there and
Anna or no one in reality be another near met tintina percent or BTM bana ultimately sing continent. Also antics be not the but was.
And they said now it's a whole bastage.
Charlie, this is worth condemning, and I pray that no one will sit somewhere and see anybody as a hater. No. Oh yeah. In fact, this that's what I know.
Yes.
What be the amount for Boabaso?
Yeah.
Same way we are the enya amount for the Nobody hates anybody. We only want it right. That's it. Now to our very last story. Actor and our veteran actor TT Sam Ajetefio. Nensem nemze tunchai. Nensem de tunchai. Na enim there to be trap. Said to be trap time obi etimi asi dan and I to fi bia ma papa na afedi ono ankasa ne kra ehun aton na ne nyina ya kan not but until then ensem ne tunchai. Nisa Cabral so actor. Now after their course, also become something directly opposite to the story out there. Yes, share Nisa Cabral in the video now in my metro and communism.
Konya stroke na Arabastam.
I'll come there.
Kiosk Arabastam.
Yes.
Kiosk that.
Koshwe said, no, I don't want to go there because I know Koshwe very well. Do you know Koshwe? Their family owns St. Anthony School. His brother is George Lane. No, before Kule.
Yeah.
They are brothers. So Ube Bisa said, what happened? We call Arabastam. We call our center 1988.
Yeah.
We call Bob. Now you see why I told you so.
Yeah.
Who can say filmed by Sikasun Sum?
Sikasun
Sum. So after seeing these people, who to for?
Show Odin so.
Who to for?
Nya stroke for several.
Yes.
For a longer period.
My name is Paoli, not the Santana Hotel or Tessano. I'll give you an example. You know George Williams?
Yes.
He died.
Yes.
He didn't beg.
Mr. Anderson, God, ultimate paradise.
He lived a very good life.
Appears you are having no shot. Ultimate paradise.
Look at Ramabru. Have you seen her begging? It is the life you live. Life is an echo. You get what you put.
No, but is it not the case to say conform with more Omunya a fapping papa foundation papa Omutina broche the orientation cry different and then the home corner.
Alexander do okay, Alexander do says what time but she didn't beg. Let me give her Auntie Grace Notte. So what ya acho. So Auntie Abrochi. She's not begging. He's the foundation.
Who are you?
No, she one day papa Auntie Grace Notte.
Sir.
Yes, she's 84.
Nanu ya no mukasa wontimi nante oyare
kakra. But is she begging? No.
But there's still a yamwa. I mean, maybe she may not come out to say
yes, maybe I will say, you know, there's a way I will so wait there. Me na me mom and yes we here. But my conscience, so the way the relationship my way, you understand. But some of them, you see, somebody had a few issues. He said he didn't money to pay what? Rent. At this is 60-something years, you are still renting. You are failed. I'm telling you, I'll be honest with you. My brother, by God's grace, I don't have one house. I have more than 2 houses. I was showing a picture to one of your guys. I'm still building. I have only 3 children.
And some way they covered you, Braba could be a system, no arm one. And Tiana Naman watching the back could be said, David, wow, Brabody now, boy. Now, Mekai, Chemo, cousin, you had that. So, if you're a main cow. Or say your industry now, Yamanako, say, so be failing pa. You know who the function. Say, are we going to blame the poor system, or we are going to blame the person's own decisions. Ebina papa ya beka yo. I'm sure a bra titi somebody buy no do na I can say a system no. Papa say my angle for Friday ni Saka Brown. On say actor. Ah say on so acting here bi no so ye. Ah say ne or die him be numpo. Or say gusumpo. They say go acting him. Tie say business bi na ma dey see na India and they no kwan ni. Na on so abeka sa say me we. Wo kira obeka say oye nipa bonisem. And I said no credit and now can because and Penifaka was a truth there. Sometimes I can and what is it a panier. Now any of be so church or maybe on Reggie Rockstone can be. Reggie said very insensitive and arrogant talk and not the tone of grown wise men. No one is free from none in life, and you could be rich and get cancer or a car crash. We are here to help each as we consistently ask for for help. No one is exempt from the uncertainties of life. No one. Stock market serve the fifth crash. Richest fall. May all rest in peace. And they are no more so. This convo is disrespectful, distasteful, and wrong. And now they a hashtag count arrogant talk. Kewa, prophet so count. I said this is an unfortunate statement. You don't kick a man when he's already down. He needs help. If you can't help, don't let your statement stop others from doing that. Let's help people when they need it. You don't know when it will be your turn. Shalom. Peace. Now, we're going to answer now. I'll start. In fact, I'll start in Komori now. It's a bit with the Jumadina Barrier. This is a couple of sabah kaine Titi in the situation. Say now, who? Enyinya sasama. Wow. Adentia.
Oh, say that's I can say the VA Nyansasema. Sometimes Emra or canon also contributed to Nyansasema or canon.
Oh, canon.
And then Abba Titi Watcher.
Yeah.
In Tisia ni Saka Brown, candy walking. Na any day. The help he is calling for, people should stop. Because we're born bride. That is the bottom line of That's
the understanding you get.
That is the understanding he or no needs a cabin is expecting people to get. Because if that is not understanding now, also only now, I think so your colleague or industry.
Yeah. And I will say me more information or say or no needs a cabin or starting now TT will give me that now or no yet boy for somebody teaching in here.
It still doesn't change anything. But I mean, Abrabona, if you are seeable, and then Reggie or some part of the post. Obi ni mo chance. Sometimes obi timi abo breye pa baby bi betimi esi. Ama nyema wa hwehwa to ho no den nyina. E betimi
south.
Na ase wa na enu aba ayi. Prior Beverly Afoglu the fish. Yes. I think it's a big blow to her. Yeah. Wa Bob Brana he saw baby anko no so di niti beto. And wa baby odi niti beto. Enye ne dadwen ne say efie no ejambeto mu na nhye. But eja to mahye. Enti na say sa no say obo ne bra kra o baby after sa accident na bibi anko yi ne bia okoko hwese okọ yes o wonbo bi obi mbuana na obi tinechi ka se wan bo obre yi ntina aye o sa na o and they will busa o call from wa it doesn't make sense nyansa bie sometimes you know say abrabo no utimi bo o de yi na unya baby sia eya enhu omo ndru umpempen so anaso muntimi enya the opportunities you get in na sebe omo ye nkwase afo ana omo nye smart wa abrabo mu ana omo nim nyansa obia sometimes people get indisciplined ama sometimes it seem to be betimi ababa wa abrabo memra wonyi ni nyama no wo ho but me nya sure say enei the ekoso titi abrabo yin ade a no hwehwe ana say ne pen say obeba abontia ba ka say obi why charity case nti obi mbra no mebo am e da na me ka wa say brasa me eya he me sanko fo mu the way ya mental health ho eye me adehia no enye hweye no bi nu kra enye obi ana nkofo bi emi e obebi a no brasa me enye izo how you have to deal with your mental health it is not a joke. And you be up on a moon na betumi aka say oh me ho kra chire to the pempen so we dey say me frɛ say obi nyame mmoa a betumi amba camera bu pose aka obi betumi ahye no akonfo
yeah it's true
obi betumi aye because obi feel say oh me ba be ke kra say maybe na man for ba be ka
if you are not strong enough it can happen to you that's true
omeka so ma mbo me breyi ma ba akohwibra na ma ye den a yemfa ne so wa ba akohwibra sesi aden na ope moa enti wa ba akohwibra enti mo obi amwa is that what we want to talk like is that what we want to discuss now say titi ahwiase wa mbobra ono anode ne bra na to chacha ne na ma no wa ensi ne ne wa da ne charity case enti mo obi enfi na what's the point? It is obi enya abada e bi se o papa enya hwe mame nkoye na adoye kakra when you send such messages out to such people na so omo krap no omo nim de omo sika yo it is all nipa na no bua titi ene na ofele se o mame nkopa kakra ma titi nti ono so ochina nyame amfasa mba anase ma nyame mpembu na ono so ne ho be chine na ono so be da bedum so me so me ho achire me obi meye me mba na so ono so ambo ne bere yi o ono so onye esika no wo ha yi su sika the person ni mesika ya ti ye nim kra ya ti esika fo a omo nye sika wan bobra boni bia bro su bia so ono de obobra boni ma de sika na hwe sika na hwe sika na hwe yes sika na hwe ashi ashi ama ene ebi owa hu hinyim ne ho kire no eno nkyere say see sometimes enyema ekutie nipa no ebi awutie chawe yin say we akwere wa money bill ni ye ni eda na e discuss on America say one of the things are Ghana when it comes to this industrial companies in Nyamanyama ya eba na egu political beef oh akwa we ono no ya sponsor this for you no
then ko tata no
enso ebia na oye na ejuma project wow ebia na oye na ejuma project be wenya odepso nkofo because based on our policy ni omo debe nti support you no mo nyo man ni no opposition aka say that be support na mo man omonya ataban de ni ebebubu ni na enti eno no say ni pa me ebubu na ne company no ehye na ne ho be kire no no okasa opemu a che say ni pa no ammo ne bre yi ana sometimes esono ha obia life na brabo ne etie o ebia wo the way on ni business be collapse na nyesa na wo de ebeko enti when you are saying some of these things you should watch it and then nyesa na also wo na wo si no bibia betimi esi obrasa me
that's true
bibia betimi esi nti saa time we say esi na so bi alternative so na ka say oh papa we want money bre ye no kra or start see dan kra wa kra girls why cover girls because my girls na ji tiny for themselves no be kra ka say wa mo bre ya I mean at that particular time now me pa no was at again o person of fellas and they say ati you no me do no wa na say
thank you Nana Regan J-Smart to us where
yes sir
yes share there on so the back count
okay issue where there emodru but still I was say me kebi Brasami, it is true that life is a mystery. It is true. But then Mimi Fu say me Saka Brown, right? He was able to speak, and I said he spoke the truth, the unspoken truth, the truth that nobody wanted to hear. My brother keeps saying no, not true. When this issue first came out, when we were discussing here, one thing I said, say, you say eba na mirror ho like Miss Ro. I asked myself, say, so how is it going to be like for us? it is a lesson. He's trying to teach us something. Me for the way ma ye producer say ka ofanto so ma me nim say ohun ya dia me pa no cho say ofanto so am I or the ato so but as a sound member me pa cho so to me hwe sound member ka me de beje titi na me nim say o a teacher e wo Presec Legon ansana o sa so act yes and usually no when sika yetua omono na enye na the time was worth it cause say o compare sika no till now your book sika bi na say ebia o share the value at the time na eye sika just say as time moves on no definitely things are going to change. Yes, so yama be more no. They will come and hear certain salaries and I say sikedi mo a ebia yes so ya jipe and then they will also be like it's not size cafe and now but the truth is at our time now if we really wanted to make certain or living out of it producer a video na make us on Fatusu in that video na Titi had your friends a discussion with Delay and was apologizing to Nema, and again he laid emphasis on
it's one big mistake I made.
A lady bia na o chasing and I say I'm just assuming here so because of lady no it's in as a opu Nema kra opu and any obifu for ekotina instead of ono ne wife. So what I say, so these are some of so no, we don't even need anybody to come out to tell us nipa we failing. One person at a point in time of your age and I say of your life no say wa utina sina wa sese uhu na say we share the kind of nyoma wire you are able to tell yourself say no I didn't try in life and it is true. So when the video no Nisaka when the video no ever out no one question I ask myself is inti man we only ima I mean the babia any position bia obetu me I extended some helping hand until I saw the video again. You see sometimes most parents don't put much energies and I say effort bringing of their words. Yes, and some of these things because listen in Penufo Eka say invest or buy a Japan. It is true they saw something that cause time will come where you the money can't work again. It is your children. It is true our system they say and yes so me I don't even want to focus on the system but the point is one kasana at the time when you also coming you knew say no the system wasn't right so what were you also doing to ensure say afraid na ebeba and I say that we know at least because even God gave us 70 years and Titi was born 1954 so 67 years now so 67 minus akatrena ucha ni 70 years no and ni 70 years na ebia wako here bimu and even your children your biological children can't even afford your rent for you I mean it's okay we say but no say we are saying it to ebia make you look bad. No, that's not the point. We are saying some of these things to tell a trimana or mobana probably are living the can and I say yet certain things are ebia uya ambuano so that they may also put a stop to it because we don't always want to see some of these people come out and then always is speaking yes no it doesn't speak well of us. I know your friend is the owner of is it GBC but no UT Bank rather. Yes, this Kofi Amwa yemi atono but this man hasn't come out. No baby atono the bank will lose the bank and so that is my point. What I'm saying is when he had the bank no or to me then at least to two maybe So what I say, because Obia in the future occurring, nobody know the impending issues ahead of us. Until when you are able to put 1 or 2 be in place, say at least your major income no say no to me at least in change to me wow. The people in the art, a lot of them akoshibran omobo. Oh no, it is the fact. Your friend is saying strong man again, I will say, came on radio and then was like omo netia omo ye cause did one and their job almost say hand to mouth ejuma. And when he was mentioning the amount now or no eka say hand to mouth ejuma, no, it wasn't making sense. How can I say obosho 10,000 na only to Italian because when he says a son you better for another show na wabebo enyeska. Say what is that mentality ni eshe otrima? Definitely you go and then become a charity case. So I don't see say your friend is saying the man really said anything but no, but he was trying to advise a chimana omobano do not live certain lives and then regret it. Oh,
that's okay. 1 second. Oh, the Emma Nisaka Brown ceremony. Ya me say or can categorically say Papa now ambo.
No, because he knew him. No, you are coming in.
Also, I'm more Papa. But in the video, yeah, she. Onu Nisaka Brown went in and chill via or brat titi boy. Or can some not try. Because guy ni besides oh, inti we so also na obra bonena.
Yeah.
Say opese o kan okre echiro obi. In this case, especially I asked them to be too for say the smart person okay. Chire say be only nipa no crap na na utu nifo e mere bi no ye say o kan say chire no wan ye unni nipa no story ni na oba na answer your confession be say tama no ye taxi driver he was supposed to be paid 300 cedis na nipa na etua na kafa no so na man only 100 cedis na nipa na for 200 cedis o say sata no etua na school fees brasa me yejuma we ayi yini na yenim ha sometimes nyama go we don't even have to sit on platforms to talk about it. People are living hand to mouth. Hwe ogu ono man sika na oje na ode ohun ni say waji sika bi nto so timi ye bibi no.
Emuka.
Jesus.
Emuka as well. Okay, chamo bra.
Yeah. System na some day ya can all the beton but I think say well ebia the way needs a cabron can no e man need look insensitive. As I said the restore I can no but the other angle na we into can say system need so bad into ye nim say system now decisions. Yeah, but Nisaka Brown I think or call other platforms so I now try say or better and some now can you now bakwa or can say na titi trade and at some point or quitty at the channel so obey acting full time and or can say it was a wrong move. Obviously, your end results now it means it was a wrong
thing.
Yeah,
it was.
And you know, Nisaka Brown, I try to say obey more other platforms are when your opportunity to be on. I PCFM say okay can't be a can, but or can say time I no your boy ma obina na titi jan na so na titi you should be Joe said there was it at that time no then the post car
time. And you were living life that.
Yes. They know person can say one live life that, and he was saying say sir stopping you know the teaching to focus on acting was a wrong move. Now no need Saka Brown time or acting on the Juma now onimu ye that and when I be seen it okay was you onya be seen was at some point you know and be producers because say onya na Juma no said the bay be using it to try more videos in that because now I movie be or your friend Ujam Amanafa. And you know me service. But I'll catch them say no. This time na menya mamo, this time the yeme juma no also artworks and printing advertising, marketing into ordinary time was almost silencing for a while but almost could show video now and fan no almost have a friend at this time they now feel almost a follow or no time now or the amount and you know they're not all can a hominin I think say yeah you movie and yet or more new artists in the year more or more you say you to me catch it because Unya the way be no focus on acting wrong. But I'm say I from now no say obi about show so busane say apart from the act now and the no account.
Do you know that question? People think it is unlawful, like it is not right. People think it is not legit. Say,
hey, you're right.
No, they think why do you have to ask a musician say a day be no account?
It's a musician.
Yeah, Sako de Akran says Sako de Akran and say
doctor.
Yeah, doctor about Ubisan say yeah.
Okay, no more kakajan said they be a common note that into the music as because research crab be actually say we creative it's like you are gambling the whole of your life on that and the gambling system winners take all.
Yeah.
In our system now the musicians are Sako there is winning and you are funny now. Sako de kubusha sika original wow we underground two nyabi Sako de na arena no and you say who want me as big as Sako de says can who nyabi da and to say ye di lotto na obi arena billions now arena 100 cedis 100 cedis so enti me ma mo bra pa bia the arena billions no e betimi de no abone bra ba wa arena 100 cedis no once we need lotto ni bi but won't me for more brapa and this is how the ever board ever can say music in kwana or ya wow ya underground urban men can be say also music in kwana be a combat do so when to me are in it say the sako they are in a combat do so a relevant question I say ubisa I think that it pushes our agenda na call mutrim so you can stop but until that no don't stop.
You have to survive alongside.
Yes. And they do baby cry, you can decide to do both. Not our schedule time how I would be because even in a good system like Americans need the any other day. Mike Tyson at some point was worth around 400 million. Now it me rate or worth around 400 million. But they say 2021 yeah kind of worth a year can only 3 million. 3 million no crowd only maybe free back. A year we tongue. Oh, Tyson Ranch. Hey, we and order 3 million.
Says you free man.
And you free man can brabo. Wow. So, and you know, I had you share lessons from Sanko for no, you know. TT make a wrong move at this time. No, very hard to say over cancer answer naturally because.
It might sound
insensitive, but yeah, share the film more banner
lessons.
Yes, you see, I know say we are actor, we are musician. Now, Ebia on back offer, Koku from the assembly. Now, Ebia, why you lucky? Oh, a baby fufu be here and son or on neighbor. Ya make us a million back why hating to know me, Jai said, Juman. Meanwhile, and a baby be a record say, oh, who you naturally say. Oh yes, I want make you wrong move. And to me, you know, alongside to some point, no who say what secure future exercise I could them. So what to me when you do sad there, obey you
never go back.
Yes, because I'm no cry no crew only say Sako de Sikana or making now or the baby say investment.
Of course.
Or to talk down
or
to talk
yeah.
And to say oh to me every new point out obey to me how to talk down obey investment to be a back neighbors say apart from music and apart from acting a day I can remember boom. So when you be a plan started doing who say obey be a year I can sign a man because I know one dear you are gambling and obi no they gambling and survival we are
Thank you, Chamo. Yeah, for granny siwa na me send last conversation you call ya. So many good lessons in there for all of us, including me and you as well. As much as onion pension, you know, bisa who say pension age, you know, sign out there. Oftentimes we even think it is only for the popular people unfortunately omo de na ya yete ne more
yeah
ebia obi so no a doctor ene you dey nsa e ko na no mpo no onyani ebia obi no a banker say ko he mantwe oba bi na ne nsan oria ebia obi no a police officer
even pastors
even Apreku my daughter congregation at that time if you were preaching on Peace FM
and brother only ade ba ko ya esai din kra mom o de yan for mom bo mo bra born in 20 there are some of them mom who say omo decline they get opportunities me have encountered a lot of some crofoni bible omo ti mi who say see the industry no maba from but when they get opportunity be say bia on to kran ko ye ejuma eye ne den say ono be ka say oh me asimesi e na me kwa koye say ejuma we dia service ka ye bibi sa decision take keke no ya de so ka see ejuma we say me nya na say me nya dia me hwehwe na ma nkofo nim say de nkofo nim mi na me bibi sa life na de ne forget on sa ni pa no we nya obi so obetu ne forma wankwa koye say ejuma no Chicago money now. Say Chicago
yeah, and he talks about that every day. Yeah.
Uncle, so sre. Yeah. So sometimes on the side the money, na say the pan wa that bobra boni bia o. Side decision ni taking here then.
Guys, thank you so much. Intimidori Solomon, Chemo, online digital strategist. Thank you so much. And let me also say thanks to J Smart. He's a journalist and a blogger, publicist as well. And to Nana Reagan, who is Beef Nation president. Thanks for watching. Also, bet me share number that screen is on 0243514732. Any opinion you want to share, feel free and share that with us. Special thanks to the production team, the guitar Rasta, Karen and Siwichi Flex, ya Lapiji. Let me also say thanks to Tina Baby, Enna Afe, Gideon, Ni Lamtison. I'm one of my content na a bar, so I the day. A friend is Sammy Flex. Subscribe to our channel now. More Nankasa Enna Eba. Until then, be good and let's meet again for another show called Showbiz Daily. We were live on King Tom TV as well as on Sammy Flex TV. We're out of here.